The is a modern lightweight adventure bike designed mainly for beginners and intermediate riders. It is part of BMW's well-known GS lineup, but unlike the larger models, this version focuses on being compact, affordable, and easy to handle. The 2026 model emphasizes versatility, making it suitable for city riding, highway cruising, and off-road adventures. Starting with the engine, the BMW F450GS is powered by a 420cc parallel twin engine that produces around 48 horsepower. This makes it compliant with A2 license regulations in many regions, which is ideal for newer riders. The engine is smooth and refined, with minimal vibration, making long rides more comfortable. One of its unique features is the 135-degree crankshaft design, which improves power delivery and gives the bike a distinctive sound compared to typical twin-cylinder engines. In terms of performance, the bike offers a balanced riding experience. It is neither too aggressive nor underpowered, making it perfect for everyday use. The top speed is approximately 165 km per hour, and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 5.9 seconds. Fuel efficiency is also impressive, averaging around 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which makes it economical for daily commuting as well as longer trips. When it comes to design and build quality, the BMW F450GS follows the classic GS styling. It features a tall stance, aggressive front look, and modern LED lighting. The bike weighs around 178 kilograms, which is considered lightweight in the adventure category. This lighter weight makes it easier to control, especially in traffic or off-road conditions. However, the seat height is approximately 845 millimeters, which may be slightly challenging for shorter riders. The suspension system is another strong point of this bike. It comes equipped with upside-down front forks (KYB) and a rear monoshock, providing excellent comfort and stability on rough terrain. Some variants offer adjustable suspension, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup according to their riding style. The wheel setup includes a 19-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel, which improves balance and handling on different surfaces. Technology is where the 2026 model really stands out. The bike includes a 6.5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, and music. Safety features include ABS Pro, traction control, and multiple riding modes such as rain, road, and enduro. Another useful feature is the Easy Ride Clutch (ERC), which allows smoother gear changes and reduces the need for frequent clutch use, especially helpful for beginners. The BMW F450GS is available in multiple variants, including Basic, Exclusive, Sport, and Trophy. Each variant offers different levels of equipment, such as upgraded suspension, quickshifter, and additional protective components. This allows riders to choose a version that best suits their needs and budget. In conclusion, the BMW F450GS is a true all-rounder adventure motorcycle. It combines lightweight handling, modern technology, fuel efficiency, and off-road capability into one package. Whether you are a beginner looking for your first adventure bike or an experienced rider seeking a versatile machine, the 2026 BMW F450GS stands out as one of the best choices in its class.